Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I am doing something a little different-ish. So this is this month of March is summer meals during the winter, because the calendar says it's winter right now. And so what we're doing is, what I was thinking was, well, what do I like to do in the summer? I like to fish, and so fish. So I got a nice piece of salmon. It would be nice to catch it myself, but you know, I just got off work today, so I'm gonna be doing. I got these Chinese dried noodles. I think they're Chinese. I'm gonna be doing like a Oriental style or Asian inspired like salmon noodle dish, if that makes sense. And the reason I'm saying it that way is because I actually am not following a recipe. I'm just winging it. So let's wing our way to some dinner. Preheating my skillet and my oven for the salmon. And the seasonings I'm going to be using. I got the Chinese 5-spice. I'm going to put a little garlic powder on there. Which actually I'm not now, because I just remembered I bought fresh garlic. And just some salt. Alright, so I like mushrooms, so I'm going to chop those up. All chopped up. Let's prep one lemon, or one chunk of lemon for the salmon. Give the salmon a flip. Nice. Very nice color. And I'll take lemon here. Pop this guy into the oven. Continuing on with my prep, I have one carrot with the tops. Alright, got my pan going. Got some neutral oil this time. Get my carrots cooking right away. I'm using carrots because, one, I like carrots, but two, and just being honest, I'm not very adventurous when it comes to different foods. I don't want to buy something I may not like, because then I feel like the meal will be degraded, or I may not want to eat it, or I won't enjoy the meal. And I'm all about enjoying it, so that's why I went with a vegetable I'm familiar with. Man, I almost forgot my Cast Iron Wednesday shirt. So today's tip, when you're cooking, don't do what I just did and turn the wrong burner on. Because I had cooking on the back, I had the back going, but the front one was heating up. I just noticed it, so whoops. Alright, just checked salmon, it's completely done. The carrots are coming along nicely. Go ahead and throw my mushrooms in. Of course, mushrooms are going to greedily soak up all the fat. A little salt. I'll add just a bit more. Now, Wajimaya is nice enough to have peeled garlic. So save me the trouble of peeling all the skins off. So let's just go with 4, I guess. I almost forgot one of the most crucial ingredients. The king of flavor, MSG. Just a little sprinkle. I put them in these new, I got these new locking lid containers, and I had it below, and I should have had it up. There's the mushrooms. I'm going to go ahead and throw the garlic in there. I don't want to burn the garlic by putting it in first. I'll turn the heat way down because I'm still waiting on the water for the pasta. turn our attention. And this water, well, I guess it's almost boiling. I will be honest, I have never cooked these, I've never cooked these before. So, I'm going to pop in, I guess, 3. I don't know how long they're going to take. I didn't see any directions on the bag. I just saw a warning and the ingredients. So, doesn't say 2 minutes, doesn't say 3 minutes. It might be fast because it just says dried noodles. So, I guess we'll see. While I wait for my noodles, I'm going to go ahead and microplane my lemon and get some of that nice zest. There we go. So these noodles are starting to break apart. Now honestly, I don't know if these are pre-cooked and then just dried, or just made fresh and then dried, or... But I'm going to take one and do a sample eat and see if they're... Yeah, they're nodding. Still crunchy. This is all done. I'm just kind of being held up by the noodles. I should have had them on first, but I got distracted. Oh, my bad. So I just pulled one out of the water and tasted it, and it actually tasted like it was done. So I'm gonna try just pulling them straight from water to... I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. Turn up the heat a bit, and I'll strain that. Let's hold this all together. You know what I was thinking was I should go and invest in one of those baskets. You can just put the noodles in and drop them down inside. Then all I have to do is lift it out, let it drain, and then I'll be good. So I put my lemon zest in there. Lemony flavor. Squeeze in a juice of 1 lemon. I also put in about 4 just spoonfuls of just spoonfuls of water. Just add a little moisture to the bottom so everything will come up nice. Alright, let's wrap this up, I think. Then we can eat it. I'm going to put a little, I don't know if I'm going to need it, but I'm going to put a little sesame oil in there. I'm going to add flavor. A little bit of soy salt. Oh, I forgot something. The tops of those carrots. I'll throw those in there as well. Because the tops of carrots are basically parsley. Let's see if I can do this without spilling it everywhere. And I can. Man, cast iron. So awkward. Okay. And the final, turn all the burners off. Make sure the stove is off. Now the final bit, the salmon. Now, there might be some heavy disagreements about this, but I do not eat salmon skin. So, I'm just going to peel it right off. Get this little piece here. You gonna cooperate? Get rid of all that. Put that nice big piece right on top. Alright, so here she is. We got some salmon, mushrooms, carrots, parsley, fresh garlic, a nice piece of Atlantic salmon sitting on top. It sure smells good. So, let's try the noodle concoction. Noodles look to be well cooked. It's not bad actually. A little lemony. A few veggies in there. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Let's try the fish. I'm kind of curious to see how that 5 spice is going to taste on it. You know, it doesn't taste bad. Yeah. Actually tastes quite nice. Nice flaky salmon. Alright. So far I like every bite of it. So I'm gonna go finish the rest of this. Don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday, which might be over on this side, I think. Yeah, and then last week's video will be up in the end. And have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.